भारत माता की, भारत माता की।
Victory in Kargil was the victory of brave sons and daughters of indomitable courage. Victory in Kargil was the victory of India's resolutions. Victory in Kargil was the victory of India's power and patience. Victory in Kargil was the victory of India's dignity and discipline. Victory in Kargil was the victory of expectations and dutifulness of every Indian.
तक जिस किसी ने आंख उठाई देश की सेना ने उसका उसी की भाषा में जवाब दिया।
The Kargil War, also known as the Kargil conflict, was an armed conflict between India and Pakistan from May to July 1999 in the Kargil district of Kashmir and elsewhere along the line of control. In India, the conflict is also referred to as Operation Vijay, which was the name of the Indian military operation to clear out the Kargil sector. It all started on 3 May 1999 when a Pakistani intrusion in the Kargil district was reported by local shepherds. Thereafter, the Indian Army patrols were sent out in response to earlier. As multiple infiltrations across LOC were confirmed, India moved more soldiers. The Pakistan Army began shelling operations on India's National Highway 1 in Kashmir and Ladakh. India released documents recovered from Pakistani soldiers that officially indicated Pakistan's involvement in the conflict. After 3 months prolonged fight where many casualties happened, the Indian Army came back victorious and this day is celebrated as Kargil Vijay Divas. Kargil Vijay Divas is celebrated on 26th July every year in honor of the Kargil war heroes. This day is celebrated in Kargil sector and the national capital New Delhi, where the Prime Minister of India pays homage to the soldiers at Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate every year. Functions are also organized all over the country to commemorate the contributions of the armed forces. On this occasion of Kargil Vijay Divas, every Indian commemorates the valor and inspiring saga of dedication to the nation today. On this occasion, we pay tribute to all the brave hearts who had foiled the conspiracy of bringing down the tricolor from the Kargil's peaks. We salute the martyrs who sacrificed their blood and to all the mothers who gave birth to those martyrs. The history of India is a witness to the fact that India has never been an invader. Peaceful conduct in interest of humanity is inherent in our culture. Our country has followed this policy. The image of our army is to protect the country, and it is also the protector of humanity and peace all over the world. The need of the hour is to assure that all the powers that believe in humanity stand in support with the armed forces.
को साबित करने से पहले मौत आ गई तो कसम से मैं मौत को ही मौत की नींद सुला दूंगा।
सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना हम पे डालो। चाहे जितना जोर लगा लो, सबसे आगे होंगे हिंदुस्तानी। सुनो गौर से दुनिया वालों, बुरी नजर ना